Nowadays, RC hobbies have become very complicated since we want to fly farther away and out of sight, and we want our flying vehicles to be capable of many additional tasks. But to build a system based on traditional radio, it is just too complicated and time-consuming. Now, PorcupineRC has an all-new system which simplifies everything. The S12 RC Ground Station is an Android-based, all-in-one system with many practical and unique functions. It shows you the direction to return to where you took off from. It automatically points the high-gain antenna towards your aircraft. You can take aerial photos and videos on your phone and share them immediately. It records your flight paths, and you can analyze your flights with Google Earth in 3D. You can customize functions with all 16 channel outputs with your custom equations to control whatever you want on the aircraft. Let's take a look at some of the features. By plugging in a cam directly to the receiver, which has a built-in 5.8 GHz video transmitter, the first-person view will display on the phone screen for FPV flights. You can take pictures and videos on your phone and share them immediately. The FPV video signal can be redirected to goggles via separated channels for an exciting immersive experience. By plugging in the low-cost GPS module to the receiver, the ground station will show you a Go Home arrow. The Go Home arrow indicates the direction to fly to get back to where you took off from. The S12 system comes with a high-gain, dual-band directional patch antenna which ensures a long-range video and data connection while not interfering with other flying vehicles. With the optional automatic antenna tracker, it will automatically point the antenna to your drone. It features a unique DF-SST dual 2.4 GHz spread spectrum communications protocol that transmits your control data via two different frequencies at the same time. The receiver will send back the GPS location, battery level, your drone's leveling angles, the received signal quality, and all other telemetry data to the ground station. And the app will then do the complicated calculations. With the received signal quality indicators for control data and video signals, you may set an alarm to warn yourself not to fly any further to avoid getting near any sources of interference. It will warn you way in advance before you have lost control of your drone. To power up everything, including the AAT mechanism and the wireless system for data and video, it requires only a single rechargeable battery. In the app, there are 12 different types of on-screen switches to choose from, like push-on switch, 2 to 6 ways up-down switches, or button switches, and even an analog slide bar. You can name the switches according to the functions. Together with the advanced mixing functions, you can control anything you want for your own applications, and it also includes 2 physical switches for ease of switching. Functions of the switches are totally up to you. There is a co-pilot port for interground stations communications and mixing, for applications that need one more pilot to control the equipments on the drone, like co-pilot systems for professional aerial photography, which requires one pilot controlling the drone and one cameraman to control the camera. This can also support trainer mode application for training newbies for flying RC aircraft. With a low-cost GPS module attached to the receiver, the ground station can record the flying path with your phone. You can review and analyze your flights in 3D view with Google Earth, and of course you can share the Google Earth files with your friends, and it can be incredibly helpful for locating a lost drone. It comes with PPM and S.bus ports for communications with all types of flight controllers available for all the common autopilot features, including position hold and automatic return home. It comes with many kinds of preset aircraft models. You can modify the existing models to make your own models with the custom modeled names. You can also submit the model settings to PorcupineRC so that other users will see your models and brand in the app. Please visit our PorcupineRC website for more info.